Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is July the 1st, 2022, and we're going to take a look at our Luffa Gourds. Alright, now, they're not looking very happy. So what I'm thinking is it's either nutrient deficiency or root knot nematodes, or a little bit of both, to be honest. We did not lasagna layer this location. Last year we tried this late in the year and it actually worked out. But this year these guys aren't really doing too much. I mean, they really should be looking a lot better than this. So what I'm thinking is we're gonna, going forward, we're gonna go ahead and probably do a lasagna layer set right here, right next to this, and also provide some black walnut hull powder to see if that has a positive impact on the soil regarding keeping the root knot nematodes out. But I would really like to get some Luffa Gourds this year. Hopefully that we can make that happen. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of these Luffa Gourd plants. Have a good day.